So do you also use Facebook lead ads to get more leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to share gym demo booking links via WhatsApp to Facebook leads. So over here I'm running a gym and we also use Facebook lead ads to get more leads for our business. So now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my leads with the demo booking link. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly chat flow. So to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video I'll show you how to automatically send a WhatsApp message to new Facebook lead submission. It is perfect for gym owners looking to book more demo session. So as soon as someone fills out your lead form, this automation instantly send them personalized message with your gym's demo booking link, class information or pricing. No manual effort required. It's powerful way to engage leads the moment they sign up and boost your conversation rates. So let's build this setup step by step. So to do this, I'm simply going to open a new tab and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Connect simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and over here we're just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in, and once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect to connect different applications and Pabbly chat flow to send automated WhatsApp messages. So first I'm just going to access my Pabbly Connect's account. So I'm just going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connect's account, and now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect's account. And to get started, I'm simply going to click on this button which says create workflow, and now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So over here on my dashboard you can see multiple folders which I have already created in which I save my workflows. So if you also want to create a new folder, you can go towards this create new folder button to create your own. I've already created many, so I'm just going to save my workflow in one of these only, which is automations. And now I'm just going to name my workflow as this: share gym demo booking links via WhatsApp to Facebook leads. And then I'm just going to simply click on this button which says create, and once I'm just going to click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the actions are response towards the commands given by a trigger, and that's the particular reason that we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of a trigger in a particular workflow. And to get started, I'm simply going to select my trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. So I'm just going to search for Facebook lead ads and select it, and now for the trigger event I'm just going to simply select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now it is saying add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly Connect's workflow, you can simply click on this button which says select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and now we have to click on this blue button which says connect with Facebook lead ads. And once I'm just going to click on this button, it is asking me to select my Facebook account. So I'm simply going to select my Facebook account and click on this continue as Michael. So yes, you also have to simply select your Facebook account and click on continue, and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected. And after connecting the Facebook lead ads account, over here it will be asking you for your Facebook page name and the lead gen form. So as you can see, the name of my Facebook page is Galaxy Fitness Gym. So I'm just going to select the same right over here, which is Galaxy Fitness Gym. And now for the lead gen form, I'm just going to select a particular lead gen form for which I want to create this automation. So I'm just going to show you my lead gen forms first. So as you can see that I'm just going to create this automation for this lead gen form, which is Galaxy Fitness brochure form. If you want to create this automation for any another lead gen form, you can simply select that. Or if you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms too. And after doing all of this, I'm simply going to click on this save and send test request. And once I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. And in the notes, it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission or record. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to open a new tab and I'm just going to look for Meta for developers. So I'm just going to generate a test lead using Meta for developers. So I'm just going to open the landing page of Meta for developers. From here, I'm just going to go towards this resources and then towards the developer tools. And now we're just going to look for lead ads RTO debug tool and select it. And after selecting this, I'm just going to create a test lead using this lead ads testing tool. I'm just going to create a test lead for my gym. All right. So I'm just going to first open this tool. And after opening this tool, I'm just going to select the page right over here. So I'm just going to search for my page, which is Galaxy Fitness Gym. And now I'm just going to select the same form for which I want to create this automation and which I selected right over here in my workflow too. And after selecting both of this, I'm just going to click on this preview form. And once I'm just going to click on this preview form, it is saying to fill in this form. All right, so I'm just going to simply fill in this form. Let's say that I'm just going to keep my first name as test, last name as lead right over here. For the email, I'm just going to keep it as lead@pabblytunes.com. Then I'm just going to move on further. I'm just going to enter my phone number right over here. And after entering all of these details, I'm simply going to click on this continue and then submit. And with this, we have successfully submitted our test lead. And I'm just going to open my workflow. And over here, Pabbly is going to capture the same response. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the details of the same test lead which we created using this lead ads testing tool. And with this, we have successfully completed our Facebook lead ads step, which is our trigger step. So now what I want is I'm just going to send them a WhatsApp message with gym demo booking link. So for that, I'm just going to select my action application as Pabbly chat flow. So I'm just going to search for Pabbly chat flow first right over here. Pabbly chat flow is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to send automated WhatsApp messages and manage your conversations on WhatsApp. So yes, for that, I'm just going to go towards this account section and click on this access now to access my Pabbly chat flow account. And as you can see that this is the dashboard of my Pabbly chat flow account. And over here to start with sending WhatsApp messages, you first have to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly chat flow account. And to add a WhatsApp number over here, you have two methods. Don't worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. I've already added my WhatsApp number, so I can move on further. For the action event, I'm just going to simply select it as send template message. So I'm just going to look for send template message and select it right over here. So I'm just going to look for it and I'm just going to select it and click on this connect. Now it is asking me for add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already connected your Pabbly chat flow account with your Pabbly Connect's workflow, you can simply click on this button which says select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me once again, click on add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the token. And to get this token, I'm just going to simply open my Pabbly chat flow account, navigate to settings and then select API and webhooks. So I'm just going to open my Pabbly chat flow account. I'm just going to go towards this settings and then towards this API and webhooks. And over here is my Pabbly chat flow API token. So I'm simply going to copy it right from here and then I'm just going to paste it right over here in my workflow and click on this button which says save. And with this, we have successfully connected our Pabbly chat flow account with our Pabbly Connect's workflow. And now it is asking me to enter the recipient mobile number. So I'm simply going to enter my recipient mobile number. But I'm not going to enter it manually or by copy pasting it, but instead I'm just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are simply going to map the details from the response of a trigger application only. And as soon as we are just going to map these details automatically, my details will turn dynamic and change with every new response received. So I'm simply going to map the details from the response of my previous step only. I'm just going to simply map the mobile number and move on further. Now it is asking me to select the template, and in order to select the template, first I'm just going to open my Pabbly chat flow account and I'm just going to go towards this template section of my Pabbly chat flow account. And we're going to see that I've already created a template named gym invite. So I'm just going to select the same template right over here, which is gym invite. And if you want to create a new template, you can go towards this create template button, and over here you can create your own template. And if you want to learn about how to create a template in detail, or if you want to learn about this template section in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same has been attached in the description box below. And now I'm just going to move on forward. It is saying header type, so I'm just going to keep it as text only. Now it is asking me for many other details which are not required, so I'm only going to fill in the required details like the name. So I'm just going to simply map the name of my lead, which is test lead. So I'm just going to map the first name, put a space, and then the last name. Now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying opt-in, I'm just going to keep it as none. It is saying incoming blocked, I'm just going to keep it as none. Now I'm just going to move on forward. If you wish, you can definitely add tags and attributes using these fields, but these are not the required details. I'm just going to leave it as blank. And now it is saying enter the body parameter, example demo lead. So what does this body parameter mean? For that, I'm just going to open my template right from here, and as you can see that over here we have one in curly brackets. So now what I want is that I want to replace this one with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So yes, this one is a variable right over here, and I'm just going to map the value of one right over here in this body parameter. So I want to send each of my lead a personalized WhatsApp message. That's the reason which I've kept this one as a variable right over here. All right, so now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply select the body parameter, which is name right over here. I'm just going to map the first name, put a space, and then the last name. So over here in my template, I have only a single body parameter, but if you have multiple, you have to give comma separated values right over here. And after doing all of this, I'm simply going to click on this save and send test request. But before clicking on this save and send test request, I'll just let you know that this is a dummy phone number, and in the help text it has clearly mentioned that ensure the mobile number is activated on WhatsApp and enter the WhatsApp mobile number with the country code but without the plus sign. So I'm just going to replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the response and the message received. So yes, you can see that I've successfully replaced the dummy phone number with my original phone number. And now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply click on this save and send test request. And once I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, yes, you can see that we have received a positive response that we have successfully sent a message. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp right from here, and as you can see that we have received a new message, but over here you can see the name has been changed. The name is now test lead, and over here you're going to see that we have also received the demo booking link. So yes, you can see that with this we have successfully completed our workflow. But now I'm just going to test this workflow in real time, and I'm just going to give you an example that how is it going to run in real time. All right, so let's say I'm just going to open my lead ads testing tool. And now from here, we are just going to create a test lead. So for that, what I'm just going to do is, once again, I'm just going to look for the same page and the form right over here. All right, so I'm just going to first look for the same gym page right over here. And then I'm just going to select the same form. But now we first have to delete the previous lead because I've already created that. And I'm just going to delete the previous lead in order to create a new one. All right, so I'm just going to delete the previous lead. I'm just going to click on this delete lead and refresh the page. It is really important that you delete the previous lead. Otherwise, you'll not be able to create a new lead. And it is also important to refresh the page, all right, otherwise the lead will not be deleted. So now once again I'm just going to select the page and the form right over here, and let's say that I'm just going to give an example that let's say that someone sees my lead on their Facebook page, all right, and they fill in the lead gen form. Then we're just going to check that if they're going to receive an automated message or not. So let's say someone has seen my ad on their Facebook page and they're going to go towards this preview form to fill in the form. Let's say the first name is Smart and then the last name is lead only. Now I'm just going to move on forward. Let's say for the email, I'm just going to keep it as smart@pabblytudes.com. So I'm just going to fill in this lead gen form. Let's say for the phone number, I'm just going to keep it as this. Click on this continue and then submit. And once I'm just going to click on this submit, with this we have successfully filled in this lead gen form. And now what is going to happen is we're just going to receive an automated WhatsApp message with the demo booking link. So yes, now I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and check that if you have received it or not. So now you can see that we have received a new message. I'm just going to open it, and as you can see, only the name has been changed. The rest of the message is same. We have also received the demo booking link for Smart Lead. So yes, you can see that within seconds and in real time, as soon as I submitted the lead, automatically the message has been received. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we have created right now. And now what is going to happen is that whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically an automated WhatsApp message will be sent towards that lead with the demo booking link. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chat Flow. And over here, if you have any questions while trying the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. So now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.